1, 2, 3, funky.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you.
Hi guys, so we're finally here at the Colosseo. Of course, I was not able to vlog. Siksikan sa loob ng metro. And then from our line A, we just had to transfer to line B at the Termini station. And then we had to go here sa Colosseo station. And ginagawa ulit yung area around here sa Colosseo. Walang mga dumadaan masyadong mga sasakyan.
I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you.
First level, second level, and then yung mga nasa third level nandoon. Ito rin yung inakyat namin. Tapos ang tataas pa ng mga steps. So we just left the Colosseo and now we are on our way to the Roman Forum first, and then from there there's a bridge to Palatine Hill or Palatine Hill. So that's where we were, the Colosseo. First we're gonna go to the Roman Forum. We will also go to the Palatine Hill, and from there we're gonna take the bus to Piazza Venezia. I mean, at least that's the plan. I don't know if matutupad yun.
Dream of you every night. Dream of you every. Can I help it if I dream of you? If I dream of you. Dream of you every. Can I help it if I dream of you every? I know I dream of you every. Can I help it?
Sobrang uminit bigla kanina, ang lamig-lamig, nasa 20 degrees. Ngayon yata 13. Gutom na ako. Ito yun lang, may baon kaming tubig. Guys, pagod na kami. Nilakad namin yun. Pag ganon. You should wear sensible shoes. Kasi talagang hindi patag yung mga daan dito. Oh, and it's 1 o'clock already. Gutom na ako. Last few steps to the next stage finally. And then we will go to Piazza Venezia and then to Trastevere to have lunch. So we got off the tram and we're here in Trastevere again. Kasi gusto kumain ni Mami sa mga parang cafe. Yung parang sa labas kakakain. We're looking for a restaurant na medyo, you know, worth the price.
Hindi kakain na tayo.
Lunch is here. 4 cheese pizza, lasagna, and then for dessert, tiramisu. We're gonna eat now. So we're back here at Piazza Venezia and nakatapos lang namin mag-lunch. So magta-transfer lang kami here sa mga bus to Castel Sant'Angelo. May travel insurance ka.
Of you every
museum, but we can't really go inside since we've used the museum pass from our card already. After this, I don't know where we're gonna go. I don't know if we're gonna go back to our B&B or not.
Dream of you, and I help it if I dream of you, and if I dream of you, dream of